In today's video, I am going to teach you how to post Constant Contact newsletter on Facebook. To begin, open Constant Contact in your browser and log into your account. Once you are signed in, look at the main dashboard and find the section called Campaigns. This is where Constant Contact keeps your email campaigns, including drafts, scheduled emails, and emails that have already been sent. For this process, you will be working with a newsletter that has already been sent, because you are going to share that sent newsletter as a social media post on Facebook. After you are in the campaigns area, take a moment to locate the sent email newsletter that you want to post. You may need to scroll through your campaign list or use the available filters to find the correct one. Make sure you choose the exact newsletter you want to share, especially if you have several campaigns with similar names. Once you find the newsletter, look for the social sharing option connected to that campaign. Depending on your Constant Contact layout, you may see a social option or you may see social channels listed, such as Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and TikTok. For this tutorial, focus on Facebook, since that is where you want the newsletter to be posted. Now that you have found the social sharing area, click the option to create a social post. This is usually labeled Create Post. This will open the post creation tool inside Constant Contact. The purpose of this tool is to help you turn your email newsletter into a post that can be published directly to a connected social media account. At this point, Constant Contact may show the social accounts that are already connected to your account. Select your connected Facebook account so the platform knows where you want to publish the newsletter. Once your Facebook account is selected, you will need to choose the specific Facebook page or profile where the post should appear. If you manage more than one page, take a moment to confirm that you are selecting the correct one. This matters because the newsletter will be published to the location you choose here. If you are posting on behalf of a business, organization, or brand, choose the appropriate Facebook page. If your setup allows posting to a profile, choose the profile only if that is the correct destination for your audience. Next, move to the post editor. This is where you will enter the caption text for your Facebook post. Your caption should briefly introduce the newsletter and give people a reason to click or read it. You can keep it simple and clear, such as mentioning the topic of the newsletter or highlighting the most important update inside it. Make sure the text sounds natural and fits the tone of your Facebook page. Before moving on, quickly review the caption for spelling, clarity, and accuracy. After your caption is ready and your Facebook destination is selected, you are ready to publish. Constant Contact gives you the option to post right away or schedule the post for later. If you want the newsletter to appear on Facebook immediately, click Post Now. If you want it to go out at a specific time, choose Schedule instead. Then select the date and time that works best for your audience. Scheduling is useful if you want your post to appear during a busier time of day or if you are planning your content in advance. Before you finish, it is always a good idea to pause briefly and review your choices. Confirm that the correct newsletter is selected, the correct Facebook page or profile is chosen, and the caption says what you want it to say. Once everything looks good, complete the posting or scheduling action. And that is all there is to it. You have successfully shared a Constant Contact newsletter on Facebook.